So I'm finally getting to do what I love. One of the reasons why I wanted to start this channel in the first place. Designing 2 spaces that I absolutely adore. 2 of the spaces that drew me to this home, the entryway and staircase. And it's actually one of the most important places in anyone's home. It's where energy flows, where energy can be blocked. And so I'm excited for after 2 years of living in these spaces and finally seeing the transformation. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So stay tuned.
Okay, Kai, I'm filming this video in 0.5, but this is when you walk in. You have this room, which Mommy said this is going to be the office. Then staircase upstairs.
There's so much potential in this space. And after living here for 2 years, I've learned how we use this space. We actually sit here and have moments of conversation. And so ever since I could remember, I've always known that your space should be aligned with how you feel. It's not just about a design issue. It becomes an energy issue. It affects how you move, how you create, how you rest. And honestly, I've been feeling stuck. To move forward with purpose, I needed a framework, something simple, intuitive, and rooted in energy. So I created a process to help bring this space back into alignment. It doesn't start with paint colors. It starts with awareness and intention, and it lives inside these 5 steps. Okay, let's get to the good part. So, the 5 steps is number 1, vision. So, before you even get started, you want to have a vision, and that vision should come from a feeling. Every time you walk into that space, you want it to evoke some sort of feeling inside of you, right? So, start there. How do you want this space to feel? Step 2, inventory. So you also want to start with what you have. And I'm talking more about architecturally. So what is the size of the space? Does it have tall ceilings? Does it have natural lighting? Is it a dark space? All of that is going to matter. Step 3, constraints. So whether you are a professional designer or a DIYer, there are always limitations in that space, and you want to honor that. And I'm going to be showing you how I had to honor these spaces as well, based off of, I would say, budget, mostly. My budget gave me some limitations. Number 4, or step 4, inspiration. So you want to create a visual anchor, of course, and you can do this so many ways. And I have a surprise for you guys. There is a way that I am starting to make my mood boards, and it's going to be really fun, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. But your visual mood board is going to help you to stay grounded in what your vision is, and then also just to help you stay on track. And then step 5 is going to be activation. So now it is time to move that energy forward. This is the moment that you've been waiting for. You want to see your vision come to light. And honestly, this is probably my least favorite part, because I kind of just love the vision and then want to see the outcome, not the in-between. But I am on a budget, and so I'm going to be doing this project myself or by myself. I may have just a little bit of help, not much. I've already done other projects around my home, and so this is the one that I'm not looking forward to doing, but I am definitely looking forward to the outcome. that's where healing design begins. And tomorrow I'll take you through step 2, how to take inventory of your space and where to start with what you already have. This is Healing Spaces, and we're just getting started.